Yo guys, so this video we're going to be taking a look at what's inside this box, and this is probably one of the most recommended accessories for anybody with an action camera, a GoPro, Insta360 camera, whatever. This is really cool. So we're going to unbox it. This is snap mounts. I'm going to give you a bit of a tutorial, what it is, what you get in the box, and how this is going to change the game when it comes to making videos and getting angles and reducing less hassle and faff with an action camera. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to show you what we get inside. Is the little piece. And it doesn't look like much, but we'll take it out and show you. This is a magnetic mount. I'm just going to grab a GoPro now because this is just easy to use. I've got a GoPro Hero 9 here. And basically, we attach our GoPro onto this mount. And it's really nicely finished. Looks really nice in the green color that they have. So this is the system right there. That's it. It doesn't look like much. You wait until you see what's inside the box and how this works, because this on itself now is a really good GoPro accessory. We can put this on a table, use that straight away as something cool. Magnets though. Magnets. Let's just see what else we get in the kits. We get one of these. We have the system. We have a lanyard. Another system. One of the coolest things about this is that it gets rid of all the faff of changing camera equipment and mounts. So previously to this, whenever you wanted to change a mount over and you wanted to, say, take a GoPro off and put it from a selfie stick onto a mount on a fridge or mount it on your car for a different shot, you'd have to undo this, spend ages faffing, making sure this is all aligned, and you'd waste a lot of time. This though is an absolute game changer. And this is a, I don't know what you would call this, like a hopper plate. And you can literally attach this to any accessory you have that has the GoPro 3-prong mounting system, like a stick here. It's magnetic. Twist to come off. You can see it in action. And this is a really strong magnet. It's not going anywhere, basically. So if you've got any fear of this falling off, I mean, I wouldn't use it for water sports just in case, but for anything else, I'd be fairly confident with this magnet. I'm having to pull, there we go. So you can literally mount this to anything that is magnetic. Car, fridge, any piece of metal. And if you want to use it with a car as well, it also comes with this silicone piece of rubber I have here, which goes straight over the back of your unit and then is still magnetic. So that's going to protect your paint or anything from damage or scratches. So snap mounts have really thought about that. So that's really cool. Next thing I want to show you here, which you get in the box with your kit, is something I think is revolutionary. And you see this product and you think, why did nobody think of making this years ago? It's so clever, and it removes so much of all your other accessories from your kit. Like you would only need to carry this around. We've got a lanyard here, and we also have another magnetic plate that has a little hole in the top of it, which this little string goes through. And if we put this on, and put it underneath our shirt, we can actually make a magnetic, it's got an adjustable loop on the back as well, so we can adjust the height of this. Look at that. So we can walk around Alex Loco POV style, and we can take it off, put it back on, mount it wherever you move it wherever you want. So this is useful for anybody who wants to record point of view stuff, show what they're doing for, like, you know, if they were doing skiing, snowboarding, fishing. This is a really simple and easy way to do that. And like I said, just twist off and comes off. Really simple, lightweight, you can't really even feel it's on there. So I actually went out and tested the lanyard out with my mountain bike. So you can see I clipped it on, and I use it as almost like a mini chest mount. So there's no chest harness or anything, I just clipped it on using the harness, magnetic plate. And this is me riding down the hill on a mountain bike. You can see it's quite stable, not moving around at all, which is really cool. You get some really unique and creative angles, a really good point of view shot. I also tried the GoPro on top of my helmet as well, so you can see that it looks like here, and then I have a clip of the riding here. So this is point of view from the top of the helmet, nice and stable footage. It's not moving anywhere, it looks really cool, gives you a really good point of view of the horizon, the trail in front of you. And then this is what it looks like on top of my helmet, and yeah, I think it looks quite neat. And this is me taking it off, just easily rotate it and it just unclips, and there we go. But one thing I am most excited to use with snap mounts is their bicycle mounting system. So they offer a full range of products. So we've got the main kit, and this is the bicycle mounting kit. So same idea again, we have the hot stepper pad here, and this has like almost like 2 little clips on it, so it's a bit more secure, this one. And we twist that in, and that is our GoPro mounted on this system. And on the other end here, we have a way that we can adjust this, and we can attach this to our handlebars, to the back of our saddle, different parts of our frame, to get some really, really creative angles when it comes to mountain biking or cycling or whatever you want to do. And it's all made of metal as well, which is one thing I want to point out. All the stuff from Snap Mounts is super high quality. You can see this is a really nice finished aluminum color, so it actually looks quite nice. It's not like this cheap Chinese plastic crap. And you can see here as well, we can actually adjust. There's like a really nice locking nut, so we can, if you're mounted this way to start with and you want to spin the camera around, we can just undo this, release the jaw clamps, face it towards us, so as we're cycling we can have it facing towards us like this. It's really versatile. So I actually tested this mount out. So this is it mounted on the front. You can see good point of view angle, see a bit of my front tire, and then I turned the camera around and got a bit of a creative shot facing back at me. That's kind of cool. And this will actually work with any camera that uses the GoPro 3-prong mounting system. So this is an Insta360 X3 camera. It'll work with all their cameras, all the GoPro cameras, and DJI cameras as well, if I'm not mistaken. It's a super versatile camera. There's many different use cases with this. I think I'm going to do some more videos on it because I think it's a super handy accessory for anyone with an action camera. I hope this video is useful for you guys, and if you are interested in checking out this mount and adding it to your camera kit bag, I would recommend it. And there is also a discount code in the description below. If you head over to snapmounts.com and use the code ALEX10, you can get 10% off your order, whatever you want to buy. Go check them out. They have all sorts of accessories on there. And yeah, any questions on the mounts, stick them below. Get back to you. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. Take care.